Welcome to a day in the life of an eBay seller. Did you know that there are 185 million people actively shopping on eBay and only 19 million sellers? eBay is where the world goes to shop, sell, and give. Whether you're buying new or used, common or luxurious, trendy or rare, it exists in the world and it's probably for sale on eBay. On any given day, you can find 1.7 billion. That's right, billion listings on eBay. eBay has 250 million unique users. Let me show you some stuff that I got going this week. It might spark a little imagination for you. Plastic cup from everybody's favorite amusement park, Cedar Point. A floating cell phone case. A vintage Budweiser poster, and some flags. Still not convinced that you can sell things on eBay? Okay, I'll give you a couple more ideas. Dusting powder, brand new, sealed, and of course, a whole bag of clothes that I have to get up on eBay. Means long hours, hard work, loneliness. But you know what? I wouldn't have it any other way. Because it sure beats on an alarm clock. Okay, I take that back. It's not all loneliness. I have my crew. I have Huey. I have Dewey. I have Louie. And I have Benny. But they're not allowed to come down here when I'm listing because people don't like cat fur on their clothing items. But they provide friendship when there is no others. And they're loving and kind. Most likely, he's just hungry. But you know what? I wouldn't have it any other way. Bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye.